Hi my people, let me show you how 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Let me show you. 41 negative 40 equal to 61 negative 60. 41 negative 40 equal 61 negative 60. So let me show you. You know, in order to get 41, we need to plus 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 equal to 11, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 41. You see, this is 25 plus 16 equal to 41. Then it's a 25 plus 16, which is this. This, because it's equal to 40, it's negative, it's gonna be unclassified. Then here we take this and this is unclassified. Then 61 equal to 35 plus 36 plus 25. As you see, 36 plus 25, 11, 1, 1, 5, 6. Then equal to, this equal to 36 plus 25. Then let's continue. In ratios, in mathematics there's what we call ratios. 25 equal to 5 times 5, which equal to 5 squared. This equal to 5 squared plus 16. 16 in ratios equal to 4 times 4, which equal to 4 squared. 4 squared equal to 36 equal to 6 times 6, which equal to 6 squared. This equal to 6 squared plus 25 equal to 5 times 5, which equal to 5 squared. This will equal to 5 squared. This is 5 squared represents 25, 4 squared 16, 6 squared 36, 5 squared 25. Then we're gonna check which numbers are equal here in our equation. We're going to check which numbers are equal. You see, this is equal to this, and we're going to take this 5 squared, come up with this unknown. Plus 4 squared. This will come, if number is going to come in another side, to change the sign. Because it's gonna come in another side and the equal is between, then this will be negative 5 squared equal to this 6 squared. Then 5 squared, negative 5 squared, plus 4 squared equal to 6 squared. Then, if we have plus sign and negative sign, this means we will equal to 0 or negative. Here, then if we have plus and negative, we will equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. This is gonna be like this, 0. We are left with this. 4 squared equal 6 squared. Then there is equal sign and 2 equal powers. If powers are equal and between and then there is an equal sign, 2 powers will be equal to 0, like this. Then 4 equal to 6. In ratios, 4 divided by 4 equals 0. 6 divided by 4, there is no 0. But if you take 3, 4 out of 3 equal no 0. But 4 negative 2 equals 0. 6 negative 2 equals 0. So divide by 2. 2 equal sides. Then you're left with 2 equal 3. 1, 3, 1, 2. 2 equal 3. And you know that 2 equal 1 plus 1. Then means 1 plus 1 equal 3. Thank you. Mathematics.